Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a video response. This is for Carolina Bug. She is having a challenge for her birthday, and she's asking for an ATC card, and they are due by November 30th. So her name is actually Teresa, and her channel is Carolina Bug. So check her out if you're interested. And I just wanted to share my ATC. So I used this really sweet set from My Mind's Eye. This is a wild asparagus I got a couple of weeks ago. And this is the paper pad. It's 24 sheets of double-sided paper. And I did share this on my channel. And it's going to use that. And then I used some Gina Marie Design enamel dots. And these are the I think they're the purple trio, yeah. And then I used a stamp set for the sentiment by Penny Black. It's called Birthday Love. So let me show you the card and the ATC I made. So let's start with the card first. So here's the card, and I just used some of the ephemera from the wild asparagus line. I also used this ribbon that I've got from Joann's last year, I believe. This is like my favorite all-time ribbon, and I will be so upset when I finally use it up. And then I put some little enamel dots. So this was one piece of ephemera, and what I did was I cut the flower off and then popped the flower up for dimensions. So that's how the card turned out. And then I stamped it on the inside with that Penny Black sentiment. So that's the card. And so here's the little ATC, and I used the ephemera from the wild asparagus set by My Mind's Eye, and I just popped it up with some foam tape, have the ribbon on there, and then I also used the enamel dots. So go over to Carolina Bug's channel and check her out, and you still have time until November 30th. And let me know what you think about the card, and let me know what you think about the ATC below. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon. Bye.